Sylvia, my name is Emily.
Hey, Mindy. I just wanted to tell you that my name is Samantha.
I just wanted to tell you my name is Anna.
Habibi, my name is Danielle.
Hey, Wasabi. Hey y'all. I just wanted to let y'all know my name Angelique. That's my actual.
And my name is Shiva. Did you know that?
My name is Kristen. Did you know that? My name is...
Hey, Gherkin. My name's Nat.
Nice to meet you officially, too. Are we shaking paws?
For Daisy Mango. It's Daisy.
My name is Tasia. How do you feel about that? How do you feel about that?